Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hope you all will be fine. This is Countdown Book 4 third edition. I'm going to teach you countdown. So let's open Countdown Book 4 and Science Workbook for Maths Planner. So mention your date and day on planner page and period number as well. And mention date and day on top of this page, page number, countdown page number 4. So today date is 8th June 2020 and the day is Monday. Today's our topic is comparing and ordering 8-digit number. So before start work, let's recite dua, Rabbi Zidni Ilma. Let's start comparing and ordering 8-digit number. How to compare? Comparing means which number is smaller and which number is greater. Let us take example of 6-digit number. Here are the two numbers having 6 digits. When you compare the numbers, first you have to make the place value chart. Here we make the place value chart, unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. 6 digit goes to 100,000. You have to look each digit starting from the largest place, 100,000. 6, 6. Now look at these, 100,000, 10,000, 1000 have the same digits. But in 100, there is 800 and there is 700. These two digits are different. It means 800 is greater than 700. So you have to write 698,000 is 831 is greater than 698,721. The open side of the symbol indicates the greater number. The open side of the symbol indicates the greater number. It means this number is greater than this. Now look at the 8-digit numbers. Here two numbers having 8 digit. 8-digit number goes to 10 million. Now look, 10 million, million, 100,000 have the same digits. But in 10,000, digits are different. Here is 70,000 and here is 50,000. 50,000 is smaller than 70,000, or you can say 70,000 is greater than 50,000. So whole number of this is smaller than this. You can write this number is smaller than this. It means the close end of the symbol indicates the smaller number. The close end of this symbol means the smaller number. This number is smaller than this. Or you can write this number firstly. This number is greater than this. Now look at this example. How to find the ascending and descending order. How to arrange the number in ascending and descending order. Here are the three numbers. Now write in according to their place values. Unit, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digit goes to 10 million. Now look, 10 million, million, 100,000 and 10,000 have the same digits. But in 1000, digits are different. 5, 6, 1. We have to arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means we go from smaller to higher, smaller to bigger number. So this number 1000 is smaller than 5000 is smaller than 6000. 1000 is smaller than 5000 is smaller than 6000. Or you have to write this number like this. Smaller than this, smaller than this. The close end of the symbol indicates the smaller. Or you have to write this number, these digits arranged in ascending order, just putting the commas between them. Now, what is how to arrange the numbers in descending order? How to arrange the numbers in descending order? Here the example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8-digit number goes to 10 million. How to arrange these 8-digit numbers in descending order? In descending order, we go from higher to smaller, bigger to smaller number. Which number is bigger? Look at this. 10 million, million, 100,000, 10,000 and 1000 have the same digits. But in 100, there are different digits, 500, 800, 000. It means the greater number is this, which have 800. This number is greater than this and this number is greater than this. You have to write this. 73,921,816 is greater than this, which have the 500, and greater than this, which have the 000. Or you can write just putting the commas between them. Now, what is predecessor and what is successor? Predecessor means before. The number which comes immediately before a particular number is called its predecessor. And what is successor? The number which comes immediately after a particular number is called its successor. How to find the predecessor? How to find the successor? Successor of 1,000,001 is, when we find the successor, we have to add 1. We just have to add 1. This is unit digit, so write in the ones column, unit column. When we add 1, we get 1,000,002. This is the successor of 1,000,001. The number which comes immediately after the number, after a particular number. After 101 million, we get 102. What is the predecessor? The number which comes before the particular number. Or you can say, what is the before of 1,000,001? When we find the predecessor, we just have to subtract 1. We subtract 1 from 1,000,001, we get just 1,000,000. When we find successor, we have to add 1, and when we find the predecessor, we have to subtract 1. Now look at the countdown page number 6 and page number 7. This is your exercise. We had already learned related to these questions, so you have to do these questions, countdown page number 6 and countdown page number 7. In these questions, how to write the number in words, how to write the words in numbers, what is expanded form, greater, less than, ascending order, descending order, what is expanded form. So you have to do these pages, countdown page number 6 and countdown page number 7. This is all about today's lecture. See you next inshallah. Fi amanillah.